Did you know that corporate training can increase the productivity of employees by nearly 100%? Are you looking for reasons why conduct corporate training for your employees? Here is why you should go for it. You are watching Now You Know, and in this video we are going to tell you why is corporate training necessary. Fifth, increases productivity. Corporate training is known to increase the productivity of your employees. You can incline the training towards upskilling your employees, which makes them more versatile and increases their productivity. These programs are generally self-paced, fit to suit everyone and anyone attending it. Fourth, helps succession planning. A very important aspect of corporate training is that it helps in the retention of skilled and experienced employees. The employees feel more engaged and valued and stay back in the same organization for a longer period to perform higher grade roles. Third, reduces attrition. One of the biggest issues organizations face in these dynamic markets is the problem of attrition. With multiple offers at hand, employees keep hopping, making it quite a challenge for organizations to manage this evil. Corporate training reduces the attrition rate. The training agencies create the list of training modules in such a manner that they extend across several skills and genres to serve every individual's training needs. Second, increases loyalty. Who doesn't like some pampering? In the corporate world, these specialized training and engagement activities are the company's way of pampering its employees. Companies focused on the growth of employees enjoy high levels of engagement and loyalty from their employees in return. When you plan for their growth and development, they plan for yours. First, consistency is information sharing. While corporate training may be focused upon several aspects like technical skills or soft skills, the information shared is the same, bringing everyone on a common platform.